Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial 1-49. We have a pressure gauge connected to the tank. It reads 50 psi at a location of a barometric reading of 29.1 inch mercury. Find the absolute pressure in the tank. The density of mercury is 848.4 pound mass per foot. Here is the given information again. Analysis. Okay. Disclaimer, the method is correct, but I encourage you to solve it yourself. See if you get the same answer as me. I do make mistakes. Alright, so atmospheric pressure, or PATM, is P max. So to find the absolute, which is the question, we need to add gauge with atmospheric pressures. Okay, so you get your 14.29 psi from your atmospheric pressure, which is your P max, and 50 psi that was given. Add them together, you get 64.3 psi, rounded up to 1 decimal place. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if you have a question about this tutorial. Until next time, see ya.